All right, a quick update on Spell Token here. So this could very well be it. We've been kind of looking at and watching a lot of things that have been breaking the uptrends, end up coming down after they broke low to the high to the 786. So this is this green line here, down here at 3050. Any lower than this, which, the market is not looking the greatest right now, we could end up having very large wicks below this and ultimately holding on to these levels on all of these different assets that we're looking at here on the channel. So even though the candle is going to come down probably below these, if it does, we could look for a wick and hold that, and that could very well be the bottom price. And you could get a good discount on a lot of things right now. So there is a lot of blood in the streets. A lot of things are having very large red candles spawning in here. I just covered BTC and where it could potentially be ending up here. So it's not quite over yet, but it is getting close, in my opinion. We'll see what happens here. If everything ends up coming back down to the low, breaking that low to the high 786, and we come all the way back down, then I don't know what to tell you. That's just the way the market is right now. It could very well happen. It is crypto. We all know this. Very unpredictable a lot of the times, and a lot of the times, we're nailing it here on the channel, but we can't, nail it all the time, of course. But if you guys watch the channel and you're not new, you know that, we love the respect that is given to some of these levels that we watch, and, they work out a lot of the times. So we are coming down to that point. It's almost there here. We are currently at 5.1, and 5.0 is your price to hold here. If you break that, like I said, you could come back to the bottom, and it could very well turn into a wick here. So we have a day left on all these weekly candles here, a day and about 4 hours. So we'll watch them all closely, see what happens here. Spell Token is another good one. You guys know that I'm bullish on this one. It is down below the 236, down here at the bottom of the barrel, if you will, at that last defense to hold. And I would say it's the best time to be buying in. When nobody wants to buy something, that's the time to be buying. So this thing is down almost 23% on the week, and we'll just see what happens here. I wasn't really going to make any updates today because everything's so bearish, but I just figured I'd cover some stuff just so you guys, have a little bit of peace of mind of what's going on here. So this could very well be it. Now, with all that being said, what we're going to do here is simply move this down to this last support line at 5.0. And until you get some movement back up and get over 6.5, there is no momentum up. You have to get back over the trend line here and back over that first green line here, which I need to turn red for resistance. So that's going to be your price to beat here. And with all that being said, how high could Spell go this bull market cycle? If you want to be extremely bullish here on the Binance chart we're looking at here on the weekly candles, the 1272 up to 9.5 pennies, a $10 billion market cap here on Spell Token. And that's going to give you about 185x on your investment. So that is a huge move, to be honest there. Now, if you want to be way more conservative and potentially invest and then take your money out at these lower targets and maybe, just let a moonbag ride and take all your profits out here, you can see a 22x just to do a 786 retracement up to 1 penny and a 1 billion market cap here. And then if it only does a 618 retracement, you can see that's where you're going to get it almost, in my opinion, a guaranteed 10x out of your investment here. I don't see why something, especially in a bull market, would not at least do a 618 retracement and then come back down. So a 10x up to 0.005 would be that target there on Spell Token. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.